and this is why them videos is flopping. Welcome. If you haven't seen the first video of what I'm doing, then I suggest you just go watch that really quick. It's not a long video. This is kind of like the basis of explaining what I am doing for 45 days. I am challenging myself to become a better content creator, better YouTuber, whatever you want to call it. Tomato. So in today's video, I'm looking at my top performing videos on my channel, and I'm going to compare them to the videos that I like to make, or the videos that I've been making recently, and like what's the difference, what's going on. So as I'm looking, my top performing video is a video that I made 7 years ago, and it is my 2018 senior prom vlog. Now, why I think this video did really good numbers, 7 years ago, YouTube was still in that like nostalgic kind of feel, like the makeup routines, the morning routines, the night routines, everyone was still in that pre-teen, pre-tween kind of phase. And people loved everything like high school, like prom, everything like movie-esque, you know what I mean? That video got 2.4k views, which isn't super like great, but it is my highest views on my video, and that was 7 years ago. So what am I doing now that I'm not really getting that many views? Maybe it's because the attention span of everyone nowadays is so used to, you know, the short little dopamine hits you get when you're scrolling through TikTok or Instagram Reels or YouTube Shorts, that people are not really coming to long form content. How can we make our long form content more interesting? How can we make our long form content like hold the attention of our audience? That is something that I'm gonna need to explore. I don't know, maybe editing style wise, should I add memes? Should I add more sound effects? Should I add captions on my videos so that there's something always moving that is catching your eye, instead of just me, the person that's moving, but the screen is still and stationary? Should I add more graphics? Should I add more effects? I don't know. We're gonna see. So my other videos that did really well is a summer curly hair routine. That used to be a really popular video back in the day. Hair is one of like the most popular things that you can make videos about. Like, girls love their hair, makeup, outfits, shopping. Those are like the big three, the big four. So yeah, I understand why that video went more views than what I usually get. And that video was from when? That video was 6 years ago, and that I was in my college phase, so that like explains why. Try on hauls are very popular. All of my try on hauls for a small YouTuber did pretty good. I'm very proud of those. Now my thumbnails weren't pretty good. They were kind of like just like a picture collage with 2 or 3 pictures and maybe words on it. So I don't really think that's gonna do it in 2026. I need something that's gonna catch your eye and then make you physically click on the video to see what it's about. Maybe doing, like I said, more graphics, more like effects, something that makes it stand out, more bright colors. I know that a lot of people were leaning towards the beige era, the neutrals era. I'm sorry, I almost I want to say I almost assimilated to that. I almost did, like, because it was working and it was trending for people. If you go and look up a lot of influencers right now, they have it's a very cursive or very like, I'll show examples of the font here, but it's very these fonts, and it's very neutral. It's tan, black, brown, white. And I know those colors are like easy to make, like get the point across, but I think I'm gonna bring back color. I think I'm gonna bring back color. I'm gonna bring back excitement. I'm gonna bring back bubbliness. I'm gonna bring back witty. You know what I mean? We're gonna put some color in here. We're gonna use some greens, orange, pinks, yellows, you know, teal. We're gonna use some colors, okay? Hopefully that will make me, hopefully that will be a differentiator that would gain more traction to my channel. We don't know. We're gonna see. I don't know yet. But, we're gonna try that. And then also, let's see, a video that I did recently that did really well, which I'm super proud of, and I love that you guys love this video, was my Coach bag collection. I'm gonna plug myself in right here real quick. If you haven't seen my video on my Coach bag collection, just please go watch it really quickly. If you enjoy purses and if you enjoy collections, you would like the video. But I got 852 views on it, 9 comments, and 41 likes. I was so proud of myself. Okay, for that thumbnail, I did a collage of 4 different pictures. And in really bold letters, I put Coach and then bag collection in a little font. But I'm so excited. I feel like I have a consensus on what I want to experiment and try to do. So I'm going to put these things to the test, and I'm going to put my best foot forward. And I hope you are ready, because I'm ready to give y'all a whole meal. So y'all better be eating it up, okay? I love you guys. I'll see you guys in my next video, and stay tuned. Peace out.